Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today on this channel, guys, I'm bringing you 10 things I think you can gift to someone who is a cake enthusiast that you love. Let's say it's their birthday and maybe they're a pastry chef or maybe a cake decorator or a home baker, or they just like to bake and decorate cakes. These are 10 different things you can give them as a present and they will love it. Okay guys, so before we get started, please give me a thumbs up on this video and subscribe. Okay, so number one is a cake subscription. Yes, if you don't know what that is, that's like a tutorial that you pay for on the internet where they give you maybe 2 months access to maybe a tutorial, or like a cake school subscription. And there's so many of them online. The most popular ones are Paul, Bradford, or on Crafty, and they're usually quite pricey. So if you're looking for something they'd really love and appreciate and that they might not buy for themselves, a cake subscription is one of them. Okay, so number two is a kitchen mixer. Guys, if you buy me a kitchen mixer, I'll love you forever. So if you have someone who loves to make and decorate cakes in your family, or you just want to gift them something, a mixer is a very good way to go. And there are all sorts of ones on the market like Kenwood, the KitchenAid, and you don't have to buy a very big one. You can even buy an mixer. Believe me, they'll appreciate it, because trust me, they will appreciate it. Okay, so number three is one of my favorite ones, and that is an airbrush. Guys, even if you don't know how to use an airbrush, like the moment you have an airbrush, you realize the things you didn't even know you could create with an airbrush, because it gives your work dimension. Like, it just makes you an artist all of a sudden. Like, it's amazing, guys, and it is not so expensive. Okay, so number four is cake stencils. Like, there are all sorts of cake stencils on the market and they are very cheap. I think they're as cheap as maybe $1 or $2. You can buy them a set of stencils. A cake decorator can't have too many stencils. They are very cheap and they take your cakes from 10 to 25 almost immediately when you use them. So you can buy them stencils. And if you want to buy any of these things I'm listing, I'm going to put links for you to buy them in the description box below. Okay, so number five is cake decorating books. I'm not into cake decorating books like that, because I don't know, but I feel like people of the older generation are more into books. I might be wrong though, but there are lots of books on the market for cake decorators, like written specifically for them. And sometimes they are ebooks, so they're not like physical books and stuff, and you can buy those. They are very cheap. You can find them on Amazon, and I have links for you in the description box below in case you don't know what to buy. Okay, so number six are silicone molds. Guys, I think personally I have more than 100 silicone molds, and I'm not even kidding you. You can't have too many silicone molds, because silicone molds are like magic. All you have to do is put your medium into them and they will form the shape you want. It is amazing. Okay, so number seven are cake stands. Guys, cake stands are to cake decorators what art paintings are to art enthusiasts. That's because cake stands are like collectibles to cake decorators, and you can never have too many. And they're also pretty and maybe sometimes a little pricey. Okay, so number eight is just ask them. If you want to buy them something that they can use for their craft and you don't know, there are lots of things on the market that they might need and they might not have bought for themselves, maybe because a lack of money, or maybe they just don't want to splurge and maybe you want to spoil them. Just ask them, what would you like me to buy? Or how much is it? Would you like me to give you the money and stuff? They'd really appreciate it. Okay, so thank you guys. This is all I have for you guys today, and I hope you enjoy this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, come on, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up on this video. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much, and please remember to follow me on Instagram. I'm on Instagram as _cake_me_away. I love when my YouTube people send me messages on Instagram. It makes me feel like I know what I'm doing. It's awesome. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my future videos. Bye.